If you can push, your rope will not be loose. Right. If you loosen the key, I'm afraid of falling off. I put the rope on and squeezed it on. Okay, the front installation is no problem. Oh, is that so? Oh yo. The wheels of the excavator are all up. It's shaking, it should be almost moving. No problem moving. Oh. Let other cars pass first. But then he stopped moving. I went to that tangula. Crazy, this is crazy. Alright, let's go. It's raining. It's okay, I'll see you. If you leave, I will leave again. King Heis. I just returned my call. Broke me. You were from King Hai yesterday. Ouch. Stay for a long time. I miss you.